Welcome back to another section. Still on fractions, we want to look at or consider arranging fractions and the magnitude of fractions. How to arrange fractions according to their sizes or magnitude, and also how to identify the magnitude or the sizes of fractions. There are two methods that I'm going to show us today. One of the methods is the LCM method, and the other one is the decimal method. We are going to start with the LCM method, so please pay proper attention. Pay proper attention to these methods so you have a better understanding of what we are dealing with today. I want to start with the LCM method. So the first method to use is the LCM method. We've been asked to arrange these fractions here: 2 over 3, 4 over 5, 1 over 2, and 3 over 4 in ascending order or descending order. In ascending order or descending order. Ascending order has to do with starting from the smallest fraction to the biggest fraction, while descending order has to do with starting from the biggest fraction to the smallest fraction. Now let's see the LCM method. You're going to write out these fractions the way they are: over 3, 4 over 5, 1 over 2, 3 over 4. You find the LCM of these numbers. LCM of denominators: 3, 5, 2, and 4. Finding the LCM, you can use the tabular method. You can use your tabular method. Let me solve it here. LCM of 3, 5, 2, and 4. Write your factor method. We've done LCM, so check your LCM lesson. What can divide 3, 5, 2, 4 at the same time? No number, but 2 can divide 2 and 4. So I write 2, 3, 5, 1, and 2. What can divide 3, 5, 2 at the same time? No number. 2 can divide itself. 1, 1, 5, and 3. 3 can divide itself. 1, 5, 1, 1. 5 can divide itself. 1, 1, 1, 1. So our LCM will be equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. So our LCM is 60. Our LCM is 60. Now, how many 3 are in 60? We have 20. 20 times 2 will give us 40. Yes, 40. How many 5 are in 60? That will be 12. 12 times 4, that will give us 48. How many 2 are in 60? That will be 30. Times 1, that will still give us 30. How many 4 are in 60? That will be 15. 15 times 3, that will give us 45. So the number that we have here are 40, 48, 30, 45. Now you see that if I want to arrange them in ascending order, starting from the smallest number, ascending order, from the smallest number, we have 30, and that fraction is 1 over 2, so 1 over 2 will come first. After 30 is 40, so 2 over 3 will come next. After that is 45, so 3 over 4 will come. After that is 48, so 4 over 5 will come. In descending order, it will be 4 over 5 from the biggest, 3 over 4, 2 over 3, and 1 over 2. Yes, so this is how you go about that. Sometimes they may ask you, in the given fractions 2 over 3, 4 over 5, 1 over 2, 3 over 4, pick out the greatest or the biggest fraction. The same idea is still used. For you to get the biggest fraction, use the same LCM method. You notice that 4 over 5 is the biggest fraction. So 4 over 5 will be your answer. Should you ask which is the smallest fraction, the same LCM method should be used, and you notice that 1 over 2 is the smallest fraction. So 1 over 2 will be the answer you're going to pick in your question they give to you. So this is how you go about the LCM method. Find the LCM, then do the number solving, then find out which is the smallest or which is the biggest. Then if it is to arrange them in ascending order or descending order, then you carefully do what I've done here on the board here. Now let me use the second method, method 2. Method 2 is decimal method. In method 2, you simply need to divide the fractions. They give us 2 over 3, 4 over 5, 1 over 2, and 3 over 4. Decimal method, 2 divided by 3, of course you know that 3 cannot divide 2, so you need to put 0 and put a point. Add 0 to 20, that becomes 20, to 2, that becomes 20. So how many 3 are in 20? That will give us 6. I will stop at one decimal place for now. This 4 cannot divide, 5 cannot go into 4, so I'll put a 0 and a point, and now 0 to 4, that becomes 40. How many 5 are in 40? That will be 8. 2 cannot divide 1, so I'll put 0 point, add 0 to 1 becoming 10. How many 2 are in 10? That will be 5. 4 cannot divide 3, that will be 0 point, add 0, that becomes 30. How many 4 are in 30? That will be 7, which is 28. Now you see that they all have one decimal places and they are not the same. As we have in our one decimal place for numbers that are the same, then I will divide into second decimal places to help me have a difference in what I'm doing. But for now, they are all one decimal place numbers. So if you look at it carefully, 0.6, 0.8, 0.5, 0.7. This is the smallest and this is the biggest. By arrangement, 1 over 2 will come because 1 over 2 has 0.5. So ascending order, 1 over 2 will come. After 1 over 2, 0.6 will follow, which is 2 over 3. After that, 3 over 4, which is 0.7. And after that, 4 over 5. In descending order, it will be 4 over 5, 3 over 4, 2 over 3, and 1 over 2. So you can see, these are we arrange numbers in ascending order or descending order using the LCM method or the decimal method. It's as simple as ABC. So carefully go through the class and see how you can solve them yourself without stress. See you in our next other class.